Hi guys, it's Mama Ariana. Welcome, and I'm back with another amazing recipe of air fried sweet potato chips or baked sweet potato chips if you like. Our ingredient will be a sweet potato, and I was so lucky to get this one big sweet potato. The first step is to peel it. And guys, as we are doing so, I want to welcome those who are here for the first time. Thank you so much for stopping by. And for our return viewers and subscribers, thank you so much. And before we proceed, guys, please take a second to subscribe if you haven't and turn on the notification button. It really goes a long way. So after you peel the sweet potato, we are going to cut them into chip size, but a little bigger than the regular, the normal potato chips. So you can use a knife or a cutter if you have, and please be careful because sweet potatoes are a bit hard, so don't cut yourself. After we finish that, please wash your sweet potato, dry them, and transfer into a bigger bowl for marination. And the first marinade that we're going to use is salt and some paprika and some turmeric, and I also use some cumin, and I also use some oregano. Guys, don't forget to add some cooking oil. I did add, but I think I lost the clip, or maybe I didn't press record when I was recording it. Then mix it, make sure that all the chips are nicely covered, and then grease your air frying tin or your baking tin with some cooking oil. Arrange your sweet potatoes. Be careful not to overload the tin or your air frying tin. Yeah, then we're going to bake it for 20 minutes on 180 degrees. Guys, it's so easy, and let me tell you, this is so yummy. So I served it with some ketchup and mayonnaise, and everyone really loved it. You can also serve it with a cold drink. I prefer, or I recommend, a cold drink. Yeah, it really slap and really a throwdown. So guys, please try this recipe out and let me know how yours came out in the comment section. Let me know if you liked it, if it came out nicely, or any comment will really go a long way. And also please tell me where you're watching from so I can personally send you a greeting. Bye.